Hello, welcome back to the Traveling Happy Hour. I'm Chris.
And I'm Heather. And today we are in beautiful sunny San Diego at the Botanical Gardens in Balboa Park. And Chris is going to teach us how to make the perfect garden cocktail party cocktail. That was hard to say.
It's called an English garden, but we're using a few ingredients from San Diego, so we're going to call it a San Diego garden.
And we're also going to use some edible garnishes from our garden.
So,
you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, it's happy hour time.
Happy hour time at 5:13.
Let's go.
The Botanical Building and Lily Pond was built for the 1915 Panama California expedition. It was the world's largest wood-lath structure. The Botanical Building has more than 2,100 permanent plants, which include cycads, ferns, orchids, and other tropical plants and palms. There are more than 17 museums, multiple performing art venues, a variety of gardens, and a walking trail at Balboa Park. This location is also the most famous photographed location. So today's cocktail is a great cocktail to make up for a summer party. It has 4 ingredients. You have first a half an ounce of lime juice, 2.5 ounces of San Diego apple juice, 1 ounce of St Germain Elderflower Liqueur, and 2 ounces of Seven Caves Tangerine Gin. You'll mix it up over ice, and shake it. And then you strain it into a glass with cucumber garnish. And then we have some, like Heather said, we have some edible flowers. We have a little rose that we're going to put in, and a little flower just to give it a little color. Oh, stem's a little long. Cheers.
Beautiful, honey. Look at how beautiful and refreshing that looks. That's perfect for a summer cocktail party.
How is that?
And it's delicious too. It's not too sweet, it's not too tart, has a little sweetness and a little tartness, but it's super refreshing. It's perfect for your summer party, your summer cocktail party.
We've never tried that cocktail before, and it's a thumbs up.
It's beautiful, and look, you guys, it's just beautiful with these cucumber ribbons that Chris made with.
Use vegetable peeler to make ribbons.
A rose came out of my little garden, and some nasturtium. Nasturtium is perfect for your edible garden because it grows very quickly, doesn't need a whole kitchen, and it's very pretty, and it has a spicy taste. So it's very good in any cocktail. You can even put it in a Bloody Mary. This cocktail is delicious.
Good.
So good, honey. We hope you have a wonderful week and have a happy hour.
Have a happy, happy hour. Bye-bye.
Bye.